one. When I was by your side, you kissed and told me lies. You hurt me each and every day. Ooh, I really spent the night lying to myself. Why did it have to be this way? I thought the way you came along, my life was about to change. Instead I thought that I would draw, my life was rearranged. I wonder why you just left my other side. You put me in the dirt and you turned me into lies. Just really want me, baby. You never really needed me.
Joey Kid dancing. There will be. Yeah.
Everybody clap, come on. Put your hands up, come on. Frankie, right here, me and you, back and forth, back and forth.
Good. Yeah. Singing with him as a duet.
That's the timing. Yeah. So it's el coro dice, ven on the horn. Two chorus. Ven on the horn. Ven on the horn.
G, sounds great.
That's awesome.
Let me give you one. one thing, and it doesn't matter because you can keep it that way. I'm still jumping up and down. When you are the lead vocalist and you in the chorus are the only one singing the melody, "Band of the Heart," and you come off because you got to ad-lib, and none of your background vocals are singing that melody, you only get the song in harmonies. So the song goes, "Band of the Heart," instead of getting "Band of the Heart." So if you could have one guy switch to melody, or get one guy extra to sing melody,
okay,
or you can leave it the way it is, and it's still exciting because it's new.
Right, we have one, he's just not here.
Okay, cool.
That's minus Chris.
Then let him sing "Band of the Heart." Don't let him sing because you need to fill that in.
Perfect. No problem. All right, we need a microphone for...
You got it all of him.
Just put this one in, George.
Right? You make sure that I wasn't showing it all. Right? Yeah. And then you're gonna Mickey Mouse my voice.
Yeah.
So it's like, why even show me, right?
Because you're riffing that I'm not taking enough video of you, and it's right up in your face right now. So what are we doing?
I'm just
show us your stuff, man.
I'm just kidding. I want the making up to be good.
All right. Well, we're going to give you tons of clips. You take what you want.
That sounded great, though, right?
Yeah, it was awesome.
It
was awesome.
It did sound. That was never heard.
So gentlemen, at the second verse, Frankie's gonna be coming in after that 8 bar that we looping after the first hook. 8 bars. I'm gonna say, ladies and gentlemen, da 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 da. My boy from the West Coast, that everybody knows, ladies and gentlemen, Frankie J. He's gonna enter stage. He knows it's an 8 bar intro. He's coming in on the second verse. So I know you guys drop out on there.